Professor Fadlan. Hi everybody, let's guess the West new Nick Bite. Did now 1, 2, ta-da! Yeah! Oh! 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 Coli. Coli is bacteria was get support digestion that is good bacteria. Fadlan. What did? A while ago yesterday, you did was for spotty cat and a jelly. Good Fadlan. But jelly take no digestions. Food for digestion is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, calcium, and sulfur. Tipe for digestions. Dog, toku, spoiled water, dog, water, small intestine, and anus. Tipe integration to digestion. Toaster, sperm, fat diarrhea, and vomiter, and divorce. Thank you for that.